Hi, I'm Walter, and this is my Google Knowledge Graph Evaluator app. It's a system to evaluate and consolidate Google Knowledge Graph entries for person entities. I will use it to optimize the sameAs information based on schema.org notation. That's an SEO measure to help Google better understand which pages are mine and which aren't. So it comes with a lot of features, as you can see, and since it doesn't have a web UI, I will show the testing concept so that we can at least see something. So from the testing concept, I can have a curl to retrieve a person's information, or I can retrieve it and save it to a file. And here I have the test information that will be sent to the script, to the API, and I will test it right now. So this test response, Walter, you see on the left-hand side here, it doesn't exist just yet. It should be created by the script. So I'm gonna copy this, see whether that works. And now it retrieves the API, makes its calls, and should write it into this new file over here. That's done, and we check out this file. Let's do it here, and we see it's not that happy, it's only fair. So the classification of the entry is fair. This is the knowledge graph, and these are the rankings, what it thinks the results are. So I know by heart already that this one used to be the best, but apparently, so this has a quality score of 49 and this one is 47. So we should go and check that at a later point. And then fair. And you see there's different entries for my name because you can write it with AE or on the A, and so they're probably not all my pages, and there's also people with the same name. So at some point, let's say here, that's a poor rating, and for some reason, like there's 4 criteria, it determines that this is too low as a threshold. So I would not add these the same as in my schema.org, but these I would add. That's one way to see it in action and to test it. And the other one is I have a lot of integration tests, so I can run these as well. And these runs 96 tests and they all pass. So for continuous integration, that's pretty cool. I can deploy and always test whether the APIs and all the integration passes and is okay. That's it for the moment. So next steps, I will add some more validations with actual data and eventually have upstream and downstream apps that take this data and put it into the schema of the web page. Hope it helps and talk to you soon. Bye-bye.